not on the computers. Okay. So as you know that your MEd exam is going to be online. This is your date sheet, right, guys? Okay. You can unmute your button, audio button. You can unmute your audio button. So your exams are going to start from 2nd of April, right, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I need your participation, all of you. आप इसको kindly आप unmute कर लीजिए. I need your participations. Half an hour we will discuss, okay? Because lot of queries you will ask regarding this. So this is your date sheet. Okay, you can have your notebook and pen. You can note any of the important point. Your MEd exam, MEd first semester exam 2020 is going to start on 2nd April. पेपर 1 फिलोसफी ऑफ एजुकेशन सेकंड, 5th को है आपका पेपर 2, 7 पेपर 3 एंड 9 पेपर 4, राइट? सो ओके जी, राइट. तो दिस इज द इंस्ट्रक्शन. तो फर्स्ट है आपके MEd एग्जाम्स आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2nd till 9th. Number 1. Number 2nd instruction for online examination, mode of paper would be online, right, guys?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Number 3rd, timing would be 9:30 to 1:30, right, sister? 4 hours. And 4 hours is divided into 3 hours plus 1 hour. Do you have any query on this?
And 1 hour for PDF to make PDF every.
Yes, yes. जो 3 hours है आपका, 3 hours में आपको you have to write answer, right? यानी कि 9:30 to 12:30 you have to solve your question on your answer sheet, right? And remaining 1 hour from 12:30 to 1:30. From 12:30 to 1:30, what you have to do? You have to scan your answer sheet. You have to make the PDF file, and you have to send on the appropriate email ID which was given to you by your respective college 3-4 days before the final exam, right?
वो भी मतलब मिलेगा, because मेरे पास नहीं है.
मिलेगा, किसी के पास भी नहीं है मैडम, वो मिलेगा अभी.
ओके,
ठीक है. अभी क्या है, पवन मैडम बोल रही है ना?
हाँ जी सर.
पवन मैम, अभी ना you have come to know वो due to rise in corona cases,
हाँ जी,
पंजाब गवर्नमेंट के इंस्ट्रक्शंस के अकॉर्डिंग सभी स्कूल और कॉलेजेस 31st तक बंद हो गई हैं.
यस सर.
तो यूनिवर्सिटी अथॉरिटी भी क्या कर रही है, उन्होंने 31st से पहले डेट शीट रिलीज कर दी, राइट? डेज बिफोर ही. अभी वो ना दे आर मेकिंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस, वो सारी इंस्ट्रक्शन ये सब चीजें बना रही हैं. ओके, यस, आई एम गिविंग यू द इंस्ट्रक्शन बिकॉज बेस्ड ऑन, क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर भी बीएड और एमएड का ऑनलाइन एग्जाम हुआ था ना
यार. पीछे मुड़ जा ना.
अरे नहीं देखा यार.
मैं कहनी हद है मुंडा.
डिस्टर्बेंस इज क्रिएटिंग इन द क्लास, प्लीज.
हाँ, कोई ना एक डिस्टर्बेंस आ रही है, आई थिंक.
रिश्मा मैम, आप म्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को.
मेरे ख्याल से सैमुअल रिश्मा मैम का है ना?
हाँ जी, रिश्मा मैम म्यूट कर लीजिए प्लीज.
हाँ, रिश्मा मैम हो गया, उनका म्यूट हो गया. ओके,
आई एम सॉरी.
नहीं, नो वरी रिश्मा मैम. तो योर टाइमिंग वुड बी 9:30 to 1:30. 9:30 से 12:30 you have to write your answer, or 12:30 to 1:30 you have to make the PDF file and send to the particular mail which you will receive 3-4 days before. Fourth point is most important. Fourth point is most important. Guys, आप ना you can note this email, this URL, this address of website. pupexamination.ac.in. You can note it, all of you.
सर, थैंक यू.
किसी के ना सैमुअल, किसी की डिस्टर्बेंस आ रही है, थोड़ा सा करवाएंगे
सर. आप ऐसा करो, आप सभी को म्यूट करने के लिए बोल दो. अगर किसी क्वेश्चन है, क्वेरी है,
नहीं सैमुअल, काफी डिस्कशंस होगी, मुझे मालूम है इसमें ना, राइट? आगे ना डिस्कशंस आएंगे.
लेकिन सर बीच में ना किसी का फोन वाइब्रेट कर रहा है, उसकी वजह से डिस्टर्बेंस हो रही है.
आपकी वॉइस क्लियर सुनाई दे रही दूसरों को ना,
राइट? तो फोर्थ वन, hello everyone, it is a request to you, किसी का डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है, काइंडली वो अनम्यूट कर ले.
आप खुद सबका म्यूट कर दो। अगर किसी को प्रॉब्लम होगी तो यहाँ पार्टिसिपेंट लिस्ट में रेज हैंड की ऑप्शन है, हम वो हाथ रेज करके आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ लेंगे, फिर आप अनम्यूट कर देना।
नहीं मैडम, डिस्कशन इसमें है काफी, मुझे मालूम है ना, सिर्फ 20 मिनट्स की बात है, राइट? जब हम लेक्चर स्टार्ट करेंगे ना फिर हो जाएगा। यस, ओके। नेक्स्ट ये साइट है pupexamination.ac.in, राइट? तो all of you, you have to remember this site and you have to, daily visit on this website, okay? You will get all the instruction, how you have to give your exam, okay? How you will get your answer sheet, how you have to make the PDF file. University is making, all the instructions after, coming days, because you have 10 days left, even, 12, 13 days left. University will give the instruction on this website. Should I open this website?
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Should I
yeah.
open?
Sir, I have one question.
Hanji, yes.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
In that,
Okay.
when you open that website, no, there are so many courses coming in, and MAd course as such, it's very difficult to search in that. Is there a specific website for that, sir?
That's why I tell you, sister Nancy. Okay, I'm going to open this website. Okay, right? I tell you where you have to see, right,
Yeah.
guys? So I'm going to click on this website.
Okay.
I have clicked on this website. Website is going to be opened. Now the website has opened.
Okay.
Punjabi University Patiala has made such kind of online interface to conduct online examinations of all the classes, right?
Yes.
So every day you have to visit this website and you have to click on notice or information on your left hand side, third button, notice and information. Do you see this option, notice and information?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This button, okay, I'm going to click on this button. Okay, I have clicked on this button. Now this is going to be opened. Now it has opened. This is all the important notice and information. Okay, some are in Punjabi, some are in English. Okay, so you can click on it and you can get the, all the information related to your examination from here. But now university is preparing because it has closed according to the Punjab government notification. Everybody is making the instruction by sitting at home. After some days, they will put on this website, right? So I come back on this. एक तो यहाँ से from where you can see, and one is here, news and events, right? On your right hand side. Okay. From here you can also, get the information. किसी का ना डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है, कुछ वाइब्रेशंस हो रही है, काइंडली ना काइंडली आप म्यूट कर लीजिए। सैमुअल, हो रही है ना किसी की प्रॉब्लम?
Yeah.
Yes.
But we can hear you, sir. You continue, please.
Okay. Third,
Some
same button is
disturbances are
here,
there.
important notice and information. Okay. When you click on this, you can get from here also. ये आ गया, ये देखो, right? Regarding this, ये सारा आ रहा है. Okay. So I come back on this website. Yes. And even on the day of examination, your question paper will upload here. Your question will upload here. Okay. Under this notice and information, right? You can download your paper from here. Right, guys?
Okay, sir. Sir,
Okay.
it is also in notice and information. It will be.
Pardon?
Sir, it will be also in notice and information.
Notice and information, right? It would be in notice and information. Number 1, number 2. ये देखिए ऊपर important notice and information. And on my right hand side, there is a screen going upward, right? Notice and informations. You can search from here also. Okay. Every day.
Okay, sir.
Every day, twice in a day, you have to click here only for 5 minutes, right? So I close this website and come back on the on the PPT here on the daily basis. Next point is that you have to download your MEd question paper from this website on the day of examination, right?
Okay.
next point, you will get soft copy of A4 answer sheet of 16 pages. Right, guys? Okay, have you read this? Have you read?
सर
Yes.
फिर बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टरबेंस आ रही है और ये
Samuel?
लिंसी
सैम, किसी एक की डिस्टरबेंस आ रही है यार.
सर ये लिंसी के फोन से आ रही है, उनके माइक्रोफोन से. आप प्लीज एक बार म्यूट करवा दो.
Sister Lindsay, can you mute on your, audio button? Actually, ना, there is a, one problem is coming from, yes, I think ये Sister Lindsay का ही था, है ना?
हाँ जी सर.
Now the voice is clear. Okay.
Yes sir.
Sister Ida has joined. Okay, sister. Good evening. Next, first point is that you will get answer sheet of 16 pages. Right, guys? Guys, actually, abhi instructions yet to come, but I'm telling you about the 16 pages based on the previous instructions. Kyunki abhi, 2 months before, 1 month before, university conducted the online examination and university gave the 16 pages answer sheets to everyone. Okay. So based on the, last month instructions, I'm telling you that, hope so that you will also get the answer sheet of only 16 pages. It means 8 pages, right? One page, there is a right side and left side. When we, make both, it becomes 2. So you will get the 8 pages. Now, always I have told you about that. You have to fill the 7 sheets. You will get 36 sheets. Half an hour, you have to fill the 7 sheets. Ab aisa nahi hai, pattern has changed. Okay. You have got the 3 hours. In fact, 4 hours you have got. And in a 4 hours, you have filled only 16 pages. Okay. Got it? Got it?
Yeah.
Yes
Shilpa
sir.
ma'am, sister Veena, Shilpa ma'am, sister Shanti,
Yes,
sister
yes,
Busy. Sister Busy, you have got?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right? So
Yes.
how many, Sister Nettle, how many sheets would come?
16.
16. But
8
here I
pages,
just
16 pages.
8 pages या 16 pages दोनों मिला के, ठीक है?
Yeah.
Because one page contains 2 pages, na, one sheet, right? A4 size sheet. But here
Yes,
here guys, I just want to tell you that 99.9% chances you will get the 16 pages, because I'm telling based upon the last month instruction. New instruction didn't come. We just opened the website. Okay, university is preparing the instruction, but I have talked with many of the principals of the colleges and university. They are saying that the same pattern would be followed in B.Ed M.Ed examination also. Right, guys?
Okay, sir.
Okay, the next thing is that you will get this A4 answer sheet 3 or 4 days before your final exam, and you have to take print out of this sheets. Okay, means 16 pages for one paper, 16 pages for second paper, 16 for third, and 16 for fourth paper. Right, guys?
Yes sir.
So 4 days before, 3-4 days before, you have to print 16 pages of 4 papers, right? Sheets.
Okay.
Next, now your pattern of your question paper has changed. There would be 9 questions. How many questions?
9
9
questions.
And out of a 9 question, you have to attempt 4 questions of any of your choice.
Oh, that's good, sir.
Yes, right? Or every question will contain 17.5 marks.
17.5, 17.5.
17.5 17.5 नंबर का एक क्वेश्चन होगा आपका. तो देयर वुड बी ए 4 क्वेश्चन. 17.5 into 4 कितना हो गया?
सर 68 तो वही हो गया ना.
नहीं 70 हो गया मैडम.
70
हो गया
marks.
सर 70
70 मार्क्स का
17 का बोला सर. 0.5 ऊपर लेकर चले तो वो हो गया ना 2 उसका.
हाँ 70 हो गया, राइट? तो
हाँ जी.
अर्लियर भी आपका जो पेपर, ओके, व्हेन यू हैव टू अपीयर फॉर द ऑफलाइन, ओके, तो पेपर जो आना था 70 मार्क्स का आना था. ओके, बट अब क्या होगा? तो पैटर्न ऑफ द पेपर वुड बी,
पैसे मांगे थे, गारंटी मांगी थी.
9 long questions. Out
Lali.
of a 9 long questions, you have to attempt 4 questions.
Any four, na?
Any 4.
Lalit.
Any 4 of your choice.
Sir Lalit, I have one question.
Yes, हाँ जी बोलिए सिस्टर वीना.
In the previous this one you had said that the long questions should carry at least 7 to 8 pages.
Actually, there is a problem is coming. Okay.
Sir, somebody is talking there.
I think father is talking, है ना?
Daljit ma'am, could you please mute yourself?
Okay. Sister Veena, continue, please. Yes,
So
sister.
last time you had said our long questions should carry at least minimum 7 to 8 pages
Yes.
answers. If it is 7 to 8 pages, if there are only 16 pages and you are saying 4 questions, where are the pages? How can we write?
We'll
That's
write only four pages
Four.
per question.
Four pages. That's
4
8
pages per question.
Pawan ma'am, let me answer. This is the reason, sister, this is the reason I'm sharing this instruction with you, because earlier you had to appear for offline exam. Now
Yeah.
you have to appear for online exam, right? Now for online exams, all the pattern has changed, right? There would not be 36 sheets and there is no need to fill 7 pages for a 1 paper, right? Your total sheets would be 16 sheets, okay? Right? And out of a 9 questions, you have to answer only 4 questions of your choice. It means for 1 question, you have to fill only 4 pages.
8 pages.
4 pages.
Right?
Both the side 8.
Clear, sister Veena?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, only 4 pages, okay? But here I'm telling about the instruction on the last month based, okay? New instruction still has to come, but all of the persons, all of the principals, university authority, they are saying that same pattern we would follow, right? Last point देखिए, okay? Read last point by yourself.
Zonal officer.
Zonal officer appointed by university.
You online.
Right? You would be watched, okay?
Yes,
So you don't have to copy, okay? You have to, yes, download the question paper and you have to write the answer, right, guys?
yes, yeah.
Okay. Next instruction is that अब क्या हो गया? Now अब क्या हुआ? What happened? 12:30 up to 12:30 तक you have write your answer. Between 12:30 to 1:30 you have to scan your paper, okay, and make the PDF file, and you have to send the by email, which you will get 4 days before your final exam. Okay, what you will get 3-4 days before your final exam, you will get university roll number, you will get email where you have to send your paper, right? And as well as instructions also, right?
That who is going to send? Are you going to send, or the college is going to send?
I will, sister, I will also send, but everything would be on the website, sister. Just which I have opened the website of Punjabi University Patiala.
Okay.
Every instruction would be there, right? You can get the instructions from there. सिमरन मैं क्लास ले रहा हूँ 5 मिनट तक करता हूँ आधे घंटे बाद, ठीक है? So all the instruction would come on the site, or you will also get the email. So don't worry, 3-4 days before you will get the email, right? And all the instructions, and it can happen. It could be next 3 or 4 days you can get it, right? Okay, third bullet ko na, just read third bullet, all of you.
Yes.
Further 1:30, no mail would be considered.
Yes, ठीक है sister?
Sir,
हाँ.
so in case any problem is there sending, so what can be done?
Sister, this thing na, because
In
अब
case-
क्या है कि भी अभी some colleges, if they are they are relaxed, right? Some colleges are strict. If they are relaxed, so they can send your they can accept your mail after 1:30. But if they are not relaxed, matlab they have the power. Earlier your question paper had to go to the university, right? Particular time tha. Now university has given all the powers to the colleges. So all the colleges will follow the instructions given by the university, right? But sister, I think there is no problem. Now the number of a question paper has decreased. You have given ample amount of time. within a 4 hours, you have to fill only 16 sheets. You can fill within a 1.5 hour, right?
And I think that there's a long time given, no? There is a
Samuel, actually, yes, long time is given.
Yes, yes.
Now the double time, all the Samuel, all the sisters have got. Okay,
Yeah.
but it is after when the instruction will come, so you have to take care of this. Otherwise, no need to worry, right, sister? Okay,
Okay, sir.
I'll cooperate with you. Don't worry. Okay.
Sir Lalit,
Hanji, yes, sister.
in case we by chance we finish answering the paper quite early. I'm giving just example.
Okay.
So do we have to wait till 12:30, 1:30, or can we upload before that? Before the time given?
Sister, you have to send the paper between 12:30 and 1:30, right? Suppose your paper has started 9:30. Okay. You send the paper 10 o'clock, right? So it gives any doubt how you have cleared the paper, how you have written so early,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
So you don't have to. I will suggest you don't send the
Today you
paper. Yes, I will suggest you don't send the paper between 9:30 to 12:30. Send the paper between 12:30 to 1:30. Okay. If you send 2 hours before, suppose you send 11:30, 12 o'clock, then it is okay, right? But it does not mean 9:30 paper you have downloaded and you are sending the paper 10 o'clock or 10:30. So how it is possible within a 1 hour you have completed the paper, right?
No, I'm not really within that because since there are only 4 questions this time,
Yes.
so we may not take that much of time to answer. That was my question.
But sister, I'll suggest you, okay, send the paper, after, gap of 1.5 hour. No, after 1.5 hour. Yani ki 11 o'clock, after 11 o'clock, right?
Okay.
Otherwise, sister, university didn't give any timeline, okay? Because we don't have any instruction, right? Okay. When the instruction will come, we will go according to the instruction. But I'm talking with you based upon the previous instruction.
Okay.
Last year, lot of my B.Ed or M.Ed students, they gave the exam, online exam. So they followed, these instructions. So based on these instructions, I'm, discussing with you.
Okay.
But don't worry, sister, you have the flexibility. Okay. But try to give, after 11 o'clock. Right, sister?
Okay.
Ab roll number, last bullet, roll number, soft copy of the answer sheet would be provided to you 3-4 days before your final exam, or 1 week earlier then, right?
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sister.
Take on the day of exam only, is it? Since answer sheet is coming before 3-4 days, can we download and take that beforehand?
Surely.
You can take it.
Yes, he said.
You can take it, sister. Answer
Yeah,
sheet
we can take.
You can take. Take the printout of all the 4 papers.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right. Even I will suggest you take 5 printout of 16 pages. Right.
Okay, sir.
Because at the time of paper, there should be no hassle. Okay, everything should be on streamlined. Should I show you how type of answer sheet, how you have to write?
Please show.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I show you.
Yes, sir, please.
Sure, I show you. Actually, I have downloaded one answer sheet of my previous year student, and how she has scanned and how she has sent. Okay, after this PPT, I show you all the 3 things, right?
Then I have a question.
Yes, Pawan ma'am, बोलिए.
हाँ जी सर, जैसे अभी 9 क्वेश्चंस होंगे तो 9 में से हमने 4 करने हैं.
9 में से 4 करने हैं.
हाँ जी, तो सर वो ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि पहले 2 में से 1 फिर 4?
ना ऐसा कुछ नहीं है मैडम. 9 क्वेश्चन है, चाहे आप शुरू के 4 कर लो, चाहे बीच के 4 कर लो, चाहे लास्ट के 4 कर लो, कोई भी अपनी.
every answer around 4 sheets, right?
Every answer should be of 4 sheets.
शॉर्ट नोट्स नहीं आएंगे अब?
Short notes, okay. Short notes का ऐसे है ना पवन मैडम. Okay. All of the sisters, Pawan ma'am is talking about the short notes. University can give the short notes of the long question, right? Suppose करो कि 5th question है. University can break the 5th question into the 4 part, right? That would be the short questions for you, and university will assign the 3 marks for one, 4 marks for 2 और अल्टीमेटली उन चारों का 17.5 नंबर बन जाएंगे. Got it?
All right.
हाँ, you don't have to think that कि question will come in one line. Okay? Some of the question can be broken into 3 or 4 questions, right? So that would be the short questions for you. But total 9 question would come, and out of a 9 question you have to attempt 4 question.
Sir,
यानी कि
according to that, we have to divide the sheet.
हाँ, according to that you have to divide the sheet, और otherwise 4 pages ही बन रहे हैं, right?
Okay, sir.
अब आ गया next some suggestions. This is a very important suggestions which you have to take care of your mind. Number 1, remember this website pupexamination.ac.in. Anytime you have the mobile phone, visit at least 2 times in a day. Second, computer, laptop या mobile, that should be okay with the internet pack and the power backup facility. Okay. Okay. With which device you will give the paper? Can you share? Can you share?
Mobile phone, sir.
Mobile. Okay.
Computer.
Computers. Okay. If you have the desktop computer, तो then put the camera, right? If you have the laptop, तो laptop में तो already all laptop comes with the inbuilt camera, right? तो internet pack उसका एक बार जरूर आप देख लीजिए, so that on that time, okay, there would be no hassle. Power backup होनी चाहिए. Third is that you have to take print out of all the answer sheets. Fourth point is important. Today, download scanner from any Play Store, right? There are many free scanners. I share with you. One is Cam Scanner. Cam Scanner. Can anybody share any of the scanner?
I
CS
have,
scanner.
sir.
Yeah.
Adobe Scanner, right?
CS scanner.
Office lens.
Yeah.
Yes. There are a lot of scanners. They are free of cost, right?
Yeah.
You can download on your mobile, or even I will suggest you do practice of A4 sheets. Write the answer, okay, and scan it and send to me. Okay, I will tell you, okay, you are going okay or not, right, guys?
Okay, sir.
हाँ, try sending, एक कोई भी ना 3-4 sheets आप 3 or 4 sheets आप write the answer, then scan it, then send to me. Okay, I'll tell you that okay, you are going well. Okay, and visit website daily for any new instruction or update. Right, guys? So thank you so much for
Sir,
this
one question.
Your
Sir,
website, Wintech?
ना website है पंजाबी यूनिवर्सिटी पटियाला, not Wintech.
No. Your site, your website, I am asking.
Yes, pardon?
Sir, your website, I am asking.
My website is wintechedu.com, but ma'am, you have to, take care of that. You have to visit the Punjabi University Patiala. I'm not talking about my website. Okay. Now everything will come on the Punjabi University Patiala. You don't have to go here and there. Just you have
Sir,
stick to
for the practice you are saying, you have to send me that I am asking.
No, now forget about that. Because earlier I was talking about the offline exam because it was not clear. Now it has cleared. You are going to appear for the online exam. ठीक है? तो आपको site you have to see the Punjabi University site every day, right? Thank you so much.